to copy this file. Explanation are exactly here, guys. You see, after you install, if the program is running program, then you copy the patch.executable file inside the directory of your program install. Then you have to run the patch.executable file as administrator. Okay. Once the patching is finished, then you can run the program. Okay. So now I have finished the installation. Okay. Yes, Saif, if you want to explain to them, translate to them.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. Please wait for a minute to...
I think it's clear, right? If they have any question, maybe you can translate. If no need, then you can stop. No
Okay
need.
for me, sir.
Basically, the only thing they should know, the only thing I think is clear,
It's
yeah.
okay, sir.
So the only thing, if inside the Iran, because of the sanction, you cannot open the
It's
website.
very clear for...
You cannot get the original file.
It's very clear. درجات توزع على واجبات. شوف الواجبات. الواجبات الأولى اللي راح توزع هي تقريبا مقسمة لحد 14 درجة. والدرجات غير ثابتة على الواجبات اللي تعطى، اللي هي برامج تنفيذية أو homeworkات. تبقى 6 درجات على الامتحان الفاينل راح تكون عندنا. الجزء الآخر يتحدث عن الأستاذ كيفية تنصيب برنامج باك تريسر عن طريق إذا كنتم داخل العراق، يعني أكيد راح يتنصب بشكل سلس باستخدام حساب الجيميل ونشر الرابط الخاص به. أما إذا خارج إيران العفو، خارج داخل إيران، فبإمكانكم تدخلون على الرابط اللي نزله الدكتور، بإمكانكم تنصبون. النسخة اللي مطلوب تنصيبها هي 80.1 حتى تتوافق مع النسخة اللي منصبة عند الأستاذ بالحاسبة. It's okay, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. So let me run the packet tracer. So assuming that everybody installed the 8.1 and now it's going to run the program. So packet tracer, Cisco packet tracer, you just run it. So you close this one, and here is the environment. All right, this is the environment of the packet tracer. All right, I will explain to you a little bit about the packet tracer software and so on. Okay, because this is you supposed to already know about it, because I don't want to explain to you about the basic things about the packet tracer. That one is in the other subject. Supposedly you should know or you should learn during your degree, during your bachelor, not during the master degree. Okay, you're supposed to know about how to create the network, how do the subnetting, and so on and so forth. Okay, but I know some of you have not learned yet. So what I will do, I will quickly explain to you, and then I will leave it to you to complete your study yourself. Okay, you try your best to get to know how to work with packet tracer. So we want to look at the security implementation only. So the security implementation of packet tracer are advanced. You already supposed to know about the packet tracer, about the networking, how to create the network, how to work with this program or software. Then you can install the firewall. You can go for the no access list. You can create the VPN, and so on and so forth. I'm sure that most of the topic that I have already explained to you, we will not be able to go through it, okay? Because I'm sure that a lot of students need to start from the scratch, from the beginning. So that will not be easy, okay? I understand that. But I try my best to teach you something that is really useful. Okay. If you go to work later, a related area about the networking and so on and so forth, that is very, very useful. All right. And as master student, you really should know about the real implementation of firewall, VPN, those security features and so on and so forth. Okay. I hope that you also help me by self-study. Okay, I can say self-study. If you do study yourself, you will help me to complete the lecture quickly. If you don't, then we need to spend more time to discuss about some basic and fundamental things. All right. So this is the environment of packet tracer. Let me check how many students are in my class. 35. So we have about 10 absent still. That those students we really have problem. Okay. Um, anyway, we cannot wait for them. I hope they of course can watch the video and try to uh, get updated about the things that we are discussed here. All right. Here we have file, we have edit, we have option, view, tools, extension, window, and help. It's same as other software or applications. Here we have some toolbar here, and here we have another toolbar here, two toolbars. Here we have the logical, we have the physical implementation. So normally we will work with the logical one. Now we don't want to look at the physical. Here we have real time and we have simulation. So normally we will go for the real time one. Okay. So here is the real time. Here is the logical for the beginning. Okay. So if you look at the down here, there are some icons here. The first icon, if you click, is network devices. Under the network devices, we have router, we have switches, we have hubs, we have wireless devices, we have security devices, and also we have WAN emulation devices. So if you choose first one, you click on router, you can see the different type of routers here. Okay, you can see the different type of routers. If you click the first one, here you click the second one, you can see the different type of switches. First one, third one, hubs. Fourth one, wireless. Fifth one, security devices. So that is one of the security devices, for example. Just now I told you about the ASA, for example. So that is example of that. All right. Okay. So that is a basic. All right. So the second icon here is N devices. If you click on N devices, and then the first one is N devices. Here you have PC, laptop, server. So let's say you have one PC put here, then you put one laptop here, for example. If you want to have server, you can put one server. If you want to have TV, you can put TV, tablet. You have generic wireless device. You have, for example, sniffer to listen to the conversation and so on and so. So you can see the different type of devices. Okay. So the first one N device, the first one N device. Here, home devices. Let's say if you want to have a different type of a ceiling fan, for example, that can be connected to the internet. All right. This is good for the IoT as well. So if you want to have the carbon dioxide detector, for example, for IoT, you can put it there. Or a solar panel, for example, you can put it here. This is the IoT devices. Okay. And then the third one will be the smart